Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Science and Technology Facto.
Internet of Things in Healthcare. What is Internet of Things? The IoT describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. IoT in healthcare. Application of IoT in healthcare that benefits patients, families, physicians, hospitals, and insurance companies. They can track patients' adherence to treatment plans or any need for immediate medical attention. IoT enables healthcare professionals to be more watchful and connect with patients proactively. In this, we have to see benefits, challenges, application, and finally conclusions. Next, infrastructure of intelligence devices. Next, software and healthcare system and also smart devices. IoT based devices and solution in the healthcare sphere can be roughly divided into two types: aimed at patient, aimed at clinics and doctors. In this, first we will see about the benefits of IoTs in healthcare. There are four benefits I mentioned. First, data assessment and analysis. And next, monitoring and alerts. And third, remote medical assistance. Fourth, research. In third, remote medical assistance, it promotes hand-on treatment during emergencies with a proper monitoring, help doctors make a proper decision and provide on-time treatment. And next, challenges. In challenges, first, data security and privacy. In data security and privacy, devices lack data protocols and standards. Ambiguous data ownership regulations. Integration. In integration of multiple devices also causes hindrance since there is no common protocol or standard. Difference in communication protocol applicates and hindrance the process of data aggregation. Data overload and accuracy. In as above, data aggregation is difficult. Too much data can be make it difficult for doctors to make a proper decision. And fourth, cost. One of the most main challenge for IoT in healthcare and medicine, it has still not been able to make it affordable to common man yet. And next we have to see applications. In applications, the IoT introduced several wireless, hearless modern hearing aids compatible with Bluetooth. Example, a Doppler Labs ingestible sensor, pill-sized sensor which can monitor the medication in our body and alerts of any irregularities. Example, Protos Digital Health. Computer vision technology. In computer vision technology can be used visually impaired people to navigate efficiently. Example, Skydio. Focusing on Skydio creating drone delivery of medicine in near future. And this is a picture of Skydio. This drone delivery of medicine in the near future. And last, healthcare chatting, patient chatting. Udemix is a device that reduces this work for the doctors. It is a voice activated a patient's data. First, glucose monitoring, heart rate monitoring, hand hygiene monitoring, depression and mood monitoring, Parkinson diseases monitoring, connected inhalers, ingestible sensor. What can IoT do for healthcare? Before Internet of Things, patient interaction with doctors were limited to visits and tele and text communication. There was no way doctors or hospitals could monitor patient health continuously and make recommendation accordingly. Internet of Things enabled devices have made a remote monitoring in healthcare sector possible, unleashing the potential to keep patients safe and healthy and empowering physicians to deliver superlative care. It has also increased patient engagements and satisfaction as interaction with doctors have become easier and more efficient. Furthermore, remote monitoring of patient health help in reducing the length of hospital stay and prevent readmission. IoT also has a major impact on reducing healthcare costs significantly and improving treatment outcomes. IoT is undoubtedly transforming the healthcare industry by refining the space of devices and people interaction in delivering healthcare solutions. IoT has application in healthcare that benefits patient families, physicians, hospitals, and insurance companies. IoT for patients. Devices in form of wearables like fitness bands and other wirelessly connected devices like blood pressure and heart rate monitoring cuffs, glucose, etc. Yeah, I informed before lines give patients access to personalized attention. These devices can be turned to remain calorie count, exercise check appointments, blood pressures, variation, and much more. IoT has changed people's lives, especially elder patients, by enabling constant tracking of healthcare condition. Has a major impact on people living alone their family. On any disturbance or changes in the routine activities of a person, alert mechanism alert mechanism send a signal to family members and concerned health provides. IoT for physicians. By using wearables and other home monitoring equipments embedded with IoT, physicians keep track of patient health more effectively. They can track patients' adherence to treatment plans or any need of immediate medical attention. IoT enables healthcare professionals to be more watchful and connected with the patient proactively. Data connected with the patients can help physicians identify the best treatment process for a patient and reach expected outcomes. IoT for hospitals. In IoT for hospitals, apart from monitoring patients' health, there are many other areas where IoT devices are very useful in hospitals. IoT devices tagged with sensor are used for tracking real-time location of medical equipments like wheelchairs, nebulized oxygen pumps, and other monitoring equipments. Deployment of medical staffs at different locations can also be analyzed real time. The spread of infection is a major concern for patients in hospitals. IoT enable hygiene monitoring devices help in preventing patients from getting infected. IoT devices also help in asset management like pharmacy inventory control and environmental monitoring, for instance checking refrigerator temperature and humidity and temperature control. IoT for health insurance company. In IoT for health insurance company, there are numerous opportunities for health insurance with IoT connected intelligent devices. Insurance company can leverage data capture through health monitoring devices for their underwriting and claims operations. This data will enable them to detect fraud claims and identify prospects for underwriting IoT devices, bring transparency between insurance and customers in the underwriting privacy claims, risk assessment process in the light of IoT capture driven decision in all operation process. Customer will have a adequate visibility into underlying thought behind every decision made a process outcomes. This is going on redefining healthcare. In redefining healthcare, the proliferation of healthcare specific of IoT products open up immense opportunity, and the huge amount of data generated by these connected devices hold the potential to transform healthcare. IoT has a four-step architecture. There are basically stage in a process, and these four steps are the connected in a manner the data is captured or processed at one stage and yield the value to next stage. Integrated values in the process bring intuitions and deliver dynamic business prospect. And see the step 1. In first step consists of deployment of interconnected devices that include sensor actuators, monitors, detectors, camera systems, etc. This device collect the data. And step 2. In step 2, usually data received from sensor and other devices are in an analog form, which need to be aggregated and converted to the digital form of the further data processing. And step 3. In step 3, once the data is digitalized and aggregated, this is a pre-processed, standardized, and moved to the data counter or cloud. And final step 4. Final data is managed and analyzed at the required level. Advanced analytics applied to this data brings actionable business insight for effective decision making. IoT is redefining healthcare by ensuring better care, improved treatment outcomes, and reduces cost for patient, and better process and overflows, improve performance and patients' working experience. Healthcare provides. The major advantages in IoT healthcare includes, I already said, the cost reduction, unless improved treatment, faster disease diagnosis, and already said, unless proactive treatment, drugs and equipment management, error detection. In the remaining topic, we have to say improved treatment. It enables physician to make evidence based informed decision and bright absolute transparency. And proactive treatment, continuous healthcare monitoring open the doors for providing proactive medical treatment. Drugs and equipment management. In drugs and equipment management of drugs and medical equipment is a major challenge in a healthcare industry. Through connected device, these are managed and utilized efficiently with reduces cost. And error reduction. In error reduction, data generated through IoT devices not only help in effective decision making but also ensure smooth healthcare operation with reduced errors, waste, and system costs. Healthcare of IoT security measured a critical. IoT exposes a new dimension for patient care through real-time health monitoring access and patient data. This is a gold mine of healthcare stakeholders to improve your patients. And final conclusion, the main concern of IoT in the healthcare industry is to guarantee more beneficial patients, engaged medicinal service suppliers, and cost putting something aside for both. With the best iOS app developer service, you can assemble off Savvy IoT Sensor Orange. IoT is a perfect solution to every problems in healthcare industry. But there are still some challenges for IoT in healthcare forunfordable that has prevented the technology from being implemented in every hospitals. For example, it's a bloodstream and a magnet system of IoT device in lots of still is a very expensive. How your researchers are working all the time and improving IoT technology for healthcare industry like many of us around the world heavy increasing efficiency and improve patient care with not connected devices. Thank you.